Hi Gemini, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot. This reading is going to be for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Okay, Ten of Swords. I'm getting a vibe of reconciliation with somebody, Gemini. Definitely some kind of reconciliation, and it is definitely about love. The card at the bottom of the deck is Ten of Wands. Gemini, in the recent past, you guys went through a horrible ending with somebody. Could be a Libra person that you were dealing with, or a water sign individual, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also see Leo, Sagittarius, Aries energies here. But the most prominent ones over here are water sign individuals and Libra energies. Whatever this ending was about, it really took a toll on your um, mental health, and for some of you, it could have affected your physical health as well, Gemini. But I feel that you guys will be getting some kind of communication from the same person about giving this relationship another chance. Could be a Scorpio person that you were dealing with, but this definitely suggests a new start, a new beginning. But what I'm getting here is you might be apprehensive about giving this person a second chance because of how things had ended in the past. I mean, nobody wants to go through the same pain twice. You are guarded. You won't be able to open up that easily. You were really nurturing, warm, and loving towards this person in the end, in the past. But because of this ending, it has made you skeptical about the very idea of love. And you have the King and Queen of Cups in this reading. I see this is a soulmate relationship. This was something that was meant to be, Gemini. But of course, it's gone through some terrible roller coaster like energies and a very um, difficult journey and a lot of upheavals when it comes to your emotional well being. But let's see. Yeah, this person definitely wants to communicate with you. They want to know if you are still up for giving them another chance. Probably after you left, they also went through some really burdensome energies and they realized that life was easier when you were around. This person could be a little authoritative, could be older to you, or could be really mature. But on the flip side, they could also be really rigid and bossy. And there can't be two bosses in the house. And I don't think you have a very submissive energy, Gemini. I think um, you will also want to have a say and you will lay down some terms and conditions when this person comes your way. Oh my God. So, yeah, there could be some third party situations. Probably in the past, they gave someone or something else more importance and priority. I don't think you ever asked them to make you their priority. All you wanted was respect, love, care, and they couldn't even give you that. And that's what disappointed you, and you picked yourself up and left. Or um, when this person left, you kept standing where you were. You did not move, you did not want to communicate with them because you knew any kind of communication would lead to some kind of arguments, and you were not up for it. Now, these energies may or may not resonate with each and every one of you because this is a general reading, guys. Do check out the other placements in your chart. Probably you'll get a clearer message. This person really wants to manifest you, Gemini. They've realized that even though life is pretty difficult at times, it was way easier with you around. This is a soulmate relationship with reconciliation energies. Yeah, this person was too self centered in the past and you did not like it. Your energies, the kind of commitment that you brought to the table was not being matched up to by this person, and that's what disappointed you. You just let it be. But the ending, it was painful. It gave you anxiety, sleepless nights. I'm so sorry. I am fumbling because there's just too many messages. Yeah, sleepless nights, and I think this person also went through the same trauma after you left. I'll draw some oracle messages. These messages may or may not be directly related to the tarot. Be assertive. Yeah, Gemini, be assertive. Imagine, what would you see, feel, think, and hear if your wish came true, Gemini? I like this card. It's so pretty. Look at the little fairy over here. She's come to help you manifest your dreams. Stay optimistic. Your dreams are coming true. Don't quit right before the miracle occurs. I just used the word dreams and it came here as well. Believe in the impossible, Gemini. Prosperity lies ahead. Your commitment is being tested. Okay. This could be related to the tarot. Softening to love, guys. Keep your anger aside. If there is any conflict, try and sort it out before you go to bed. And soften yourself to love, guys, because that's the only driving force in the world. So make sure if you really want this person in your life, or whoever or whatever you want, bring love into the situation. Love heals everything, bringing harmony and balance. I think if you meditate and indulge in activities that bring you closer to your soul's purpose. So, if you have a hobby that you're really passionate about, indulge in it, you'll feel the harmony and balance setting in your body and then in your life. If you guys are planning to study further, this is the time to take action. It could be about spiritual learning, metaphysics, could also be about psychic therapies, um, which are going to help your soul to grow as a person. I feel you guys are empathic. You, all of you, have this sensitive side to you, which sometimes it tends to take on other people's energies and bog you down. Don't let that happen. Be strong. Be loving, but yet dispassionate. Take life. So When life teaches you something, these life lessons, learn the lesson, but detach yourself from the event or how you had to learn this lesson, because the purpose of that event is over. There's no point carrying it forward. That's about it, Gemini. Please like and subscribe. Also, if you want a private reading, please contact me on Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot Instagram. I hope this reading resonated with you. Bye.